Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for September 21st. We are looking at the US Japanese yen. This pair had a very wide range from high to low. Closed body-wise fairly tight. Consider that a doji bar by most accounts. Look for it to potentially go as high as 77.05, possibly as low as 75.75. Look for some resistance around 76.75. And look for some support around 76.00. Now the Euro USD pair, this pair closed down. We are looking for it to continue its move to the downside. However, it could go as high as 138.73, possibly going as low as 133.66. Look for some resistance around 3,800 and look for some support around 135.57. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair surged to the downside, is moving lower, potentially though on a reversal going as high as 158.10, possibly as low as 152.94. Look for some resistance to the upside around 156.25 and look for some support around 154.50. Now the US Swiss, this pair continues to move to the upside, broke through previous resistance, closed higher. We are looking for it to push higher, possibly up to 191 or 091.76, possibly as low as 0.8709. Look for some resistance around 0.9015 and look for some support around 0.5875. Now there are no news announcements, no significant news announcements coming out during this next session. If you'll take a look at the New Zealand US dollar pair on the day time frame and then back out a little ways, maybe not that far, you can definitely see that we've tested this area before several times, once here, here, and here. The low of those three would be this middle one. We're about 35 pips from it. I do believe if we get a break to the downside below that price, we should see it fall fairly quick, about 100 pips or so. Let me zoom back in. Basically looking for a short around the 0.7959 mark and then looking to exit this trade around the 0.7850 mark using a risk to reward of 1-to-1 or placing your stop loss above this high. Either way will work. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.